Guess how much UK corporation tax we paid? Go on, have a guess. Was that 50%? We're not idiots, no. We paid just under 1% tax. It's amazing.
It may not seem quite so funny today, not now the Times newspaper has exposed the scheme that allows Carr and many others to avoid paying tens of thousands of pounds in income tax.
The scene, they put scheme on the leaflet. They put scheme, it should be scam.
Here's how the scheme Jimmy Carr has been using works. Let's just imagine I earn £500,000 a year and I want to cut my tax bill. Well, instead of working for a firm based on the UK mainland, I sign a contract with K2, a company based in the tax haven of Jersey. They will then hire me out to anyone in Britain who wants to employ me. And it's K2 that gets paid for my services. K2 then pays me only the minimum wage, £10,800 a year. And I pay tax on that of just £3,500. They will then loan me £480,000 over the course of the year. And I won't need to pay any tax on that loan, and they will never ask me to repay the money, allowing me to avoid paying more than £290,000 in income tax. Now, clients like Mr Carr were assured that this form of tax avoidance is totally legal, but the Revenue and Customs told me today they were already investigating whether this scheme really is within the law. The Times secretly filmed the accountants used by Mr Carr and over 1,000 others, boasting about just how much money their clients will not have to pay.
So if somebody's on a £100,000 contract, they will net, as a contractor, £82,000. No more taxes to pay.
Tax lawyer Graham Aronson has been working with the government to devise new rules to try and combat this kind of aggressive tax avoidance.
It actually makes me extremely irritated, and that is putting it politely, because I'm being filmed. I really do not like the fact that I pay tax at 40 or 50%, whatever my income may be, and other people who are earning as much, if not far more, than me are paying tax at 2 or 3%.
I regard tax evasion and indeed aggressive tax avoidance as morally repugnant.
Why then did the Chancellor try to abolish tax relief on charitable donations rather than target aggressive tax avoidance schemes? Anyway, the accountants are sure they can get round anything the government comes up with.
To a degree, it's a little bit of a game of cat and mouse, isn't it? The revenue close it, we just find another way around it.
The Chancellor says aggressive tax avoidance is morally repugnant, but there was absolutely nothing in the budget or this year's finance bill to outlaw this kind of thing.